everyone, I'm back. I got the turkey legs done, and this is what they look like. And this is getting this to a boil. There's 3 cups of rice there. And this is like one of my all-time favorite meals. Now, with the broth out of the pan, you'll get 2 cups of the broth, and then I add a cup of water, you know, so you got it. And then we're just going to add our rice. And we have to add some paprika, because that's the whole key. Yeah, more paprika. And you're just gonna do a lot of paprika in there. Like this. We're going to add our rice. I already measured out 3 cups. And then we just get the rice done. And then what I do is once the meat cools, I add the turkey into the rice. And I just store it in a bowl, and I measure out 1 cup servings. And the calorie count is, for 1 cup, is 255 calories. Carbs is 38. Fat is 4, and protein is 15. And I just debone, you know, everybody knows how to take meat off a bone, and that's all I do is just throw it in put the rice in a pan after it's done. And I haven't even tasted it. I probably should do that because I haven't even done that. That's what it looks like. Let's taste it. Yep. Tastes just like when my dad did it. And this here tastes the same. Just a simple meal. I like sometimes just something simple and quick, and that's what I do. Again, calorie count is 255, carbs is 38, fat is 4, protein is 15. And that's all I do. And then I just, you know, debone the meat after it cools, and the rice looks like. Add a little more paprika. Call it a day. That's all you do. And there you have it. And we just leave it now. The rice go down. And there you have it. A nice healthy meal. God bless everyone, and I'll see you soon. Stay tuned later today. I'm going to be putting a baked vegetable casserole together. Different one. Different seasonings, different ingredients, but great taste. And it's a great casserole. Talk to you soon. Bye.